thought the brain could burn the sense.
Kaya sarap lang balikan yung kung paano tayo nagsimula. Nagsimula lang tayo sa text-text, kalabit sa kalabit sa balikat para magpaalam ng maglaro ng Dota or basketball. Ngayon, nangangako na tayo sa harap ng Diyos.
All the stories say something.
Okay na ba? Walang mamahali. Ayos ba?
More than I ever knew. Something real. Try and see something right. True.
My game,
And everything. Oh, you'll ever need. 'Cause you just got to find something to keep you burning through the cold. Well, don't forget that one thing. Far from shining glitters gold. Well, don't forget, just tell me about it. It's everything you ever need. No more playing now. Well, don't you ever go. Oh, don't you forget about it.
Hi, babe. No more bad hair. Hello? No more bad hair. Di ba totoo to? No more bad Hello, Mike Tess.
Hi, future husband. See you at the altar.
One thing to hold on. Everyone's got to find that something. Oh, hold on so long, don't you forget about. Everyone's got to find that something. One thing to hold on. Everyone's got to find that something. Oh, hold on so long and don't forget about it. Everyone's got to find that something. Oh, don't you forget about it. Don't you forget about it. Don't you ever go. Tell me one more. Everyone's got to find that something. Yeah, don't you forget about it. Don't you forget about it. Don't you ever go. Well, don't you ever go.
Hi, Beb. Hi, Tay. Hi, heartbeat ko. First and foremost, happy 15th years. We're finally here after months and months of planning. We are finally here before the Lord with our family and friends saying I do to forever. A little backstory, exactly a year ago, on this very day, sa ibang situation tayo, I was wearing a different gown, a hospital gown. Ni hindi ako sure if darating tayo sa araw na to. I even asked God, bakit Lord? Bakit ngayon pa na may plans na kami magpakasal? Pero still, God comforted me and reminded me of my silly little prayer when I was young. Yung prayer ko kay Lord was, Lord, gusto ko po pag may nagtanong sa akin, sino first love mo? Gusto ko, Lord, ingunguso ko lang. Sabi ko, ayun no, ayun no.
Ang tanong ko nga kay God, ano bang nagawa ko para ibigyan ako ng isang partner na katulad mo? Sobrang blessed ko na ikaw ang naging partner ko. Siguro baliw na lang ako kung hahayaan kong mawala ang isang Jermaine sa buhay ko.
God reminded me that He answers prayers. My answered prayer. Ngayon, nasa harap ko na. Ngungusuhin ko na lang.
Pinapangako sa iyo na kahit gaano man kasama ang araw mo, masakit man ang puson, stress sa work, hindi kita susukuan at di magsasawang intindihin ka. Pangako ko rin na hindi ko hahayaan at papabayaan ka kapag may naramdam ka, di ka nice, handang magpuyat para alagaan ka. At pangako sasamahan kita sa pangarap mo, pupunta tayo sa lahat ng gusto mo kahit masakit na ang pako.
Pinapangako ko na I will listen to you and calm you pag nag-overthink ka na. I will do my best na samahan ka magdasal, mangarap, at bumuo ng bukas na inaasahan mo.
Be still my heart and know you are God alone. Stop thinking so much and just let go.
Marami pang babagong mangyari. Alam nating marami pa tayong malalaman na ugali sa isa't isa. Pero hindi ito ang oras para maghanapan tayo ng mali. Ito ang oras para kasabahan pa natin ang bawat pasensya, hindi ng isa't isa. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, kapag may nakikita kang hindi mo nagugustuhan, sabihin mo lang sa akin. And respetuhin ko yun at makikinig sa iyo para sa relasyon na to.
Give it all, 'cause you gave it all for me.
Thank you for always keeping me in reality when life gets the best of me. Thank you sa suporta in everything that I do and keeping me from harm sa mga ibang desisyon ko sa buhay. Thank you for making it your life's mission to make me happy.
Every time na makikita ko siya masaya, masaya na rin ako. Kaya, thank you for loving her.
Gave it all for me. Bless the Lord, oh, my soul cries out. All that is within me praise. Bless the Lord, oh, my soul cries out. All that is within me praise. Bless the Lord, oh, my soul cries out. All that is within me praise. Bless the Lord, oh, my soul cries out. All that is within me praise.
A year ago, I loved you. 5 years ago, I loved you. 10 years ago, I love you. 15 years ago, I loved you. Even 30 years from today, masakit na ang katawan at kasukasuan, I will still and always love you.